For this exercise, you can use any photo you have on your computer, and when we get to more serious exercises, I will leave a picture in the description on which we will work together. You can open the photo in Photoshop in several ways, and you will find out these methods in a few moments. One way is to click on Open on this initial screen and choose the photo you want to open. If you don't have this screen, you can go to File, then Open, and select it from there. Alternatively, you can simply drag it from the folder directly into Photoshop, being careful to drop it onto the dark area where there are no photos. As we've already mentioned and is very important to learn, are layers. I will show you an example that explains what layers are. Here we have an image composed of several layers. The first layer, called background, has a white background and is located at the bottom of the list. Above it is a picture of a girl leaning against a wall, followed by a layer with a camera logo, and finally, a text layer. When all these layers are arranged one above the other, you see one photo as if it's on the same paper. That's why layers are useful in Photoshop. When you open an image in Photoshop, you'll see that it appears as one locked layer to keep the image constant without additional effects. Of course, you can always unlock it by clicking on the padlock to apply some effects. Now you can load another image over this one, like this girl for example, and the rest of the previous image will remain visible. This is because the image of the girl I loaded has a transparent background. Images with transparent backgrounds are usually in PNG format. We'll also load a third image as a third layer. As you can see in this right window, at the bottom is the background we loaded, above it is the girl, and above the girl is a fence. They are arranged so that the layer above always covers the layer below. If, for example, we drag the layer with the girl below the layer with the background, the girl will not be visible because the background layer is not transparent. Similarly, if we drag the fence layer below the girl layer, part of the fence will not be visible due to the girl. For displaying layers, these eyes are here. When the eyes are on, the layers are visible. If we turn off an eye, that layer will be lost. If, for example, we turn off the fence, it will no longer be visible. Also, if we turn off the layer with the girl, she will no longer be visible. Likewise, if we turn off the background, only the other layers that are turned on will be visible, not the background. As you noticed when we turned off the background, these squares appeared. In Photoshop, they indicate that something is transparent, meaning there is nothing below these layers. If we now save the image of the girl and fence without a background in PNG format, only the girl and the fence will be visible, while the rest of the image will be transparent. If we add, for example, a white background behind the girl, when we save the image, it will no longer be transparent. In the case of working with multiple layers, it's easy to get confused. so it's advisable to change the name of each layer. For example, we can rename the layer with the girl by simply double-clicking on the layer name. This will make it easier for you to navigate the layers when there are many. I hope you understand the purpose of layers. And in the next lesson, we will learn a few things to enhance photos. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell to receive a notification when I release the next lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.